These are things that all small tech YouTubers need. What's up guys, it's me Caitlin from CCO Tech and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be going over some essential things that a lot of small tech YouTubers could use to help enhance their channel. I've used all of these techniques and I have seen some growth, and it's just gonna continue on from there if you're consistent. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing that you need to even make a video is a camera. It can be any type of camera, a phone camera, a real video camera, any camera. I would recommend a camera that is at least 1080p because that's HD. Anything less than that, the quality will be pretty low for what you see today on YouTube. I'm currently recording on my Samsung Galaxy A50. I don't have any mics attached to it or anything. And this is the sound quality, the video quality. And I think that starting out my channel, this will be a good phone camera to use until I get a real one. So you can start a channel with a regular phone. You don't need a high-end camera as soon as you start. You can start from the bottom and gradually get to the top. There's nothing wrong with that. The next thing I recommend is a tripod. To stand up your phone and make sure that it's steady and still. If you're using your phone or a camera, just standing it up on different surfaces, the angles and just the way it's positioned might affect the video quality. So I would prefer you have a camera tripod or a phone tripod to hold whatever you're using to record. Along with that, you could also get a ring light. I currently use a tripod ring light, so it has a ring light attached to the tripod. So my phone just goes in the middle of that and I'm able to record and have my ring light and tripod in one place as one unit. Another essential thing is having social medias and making sure you're keeping up with different news outlets, especially with a lot of tech products that would come out in the future or things that are being rumored or leaked. Even though it's not official, you kind of want to have an idea of what could be coming out and what people are thinking, because that's really important. So maybe you could talk about that on your channel, or you're just up to date with everything that's going on in the tech world, because there's a lot of stuff that happens in just a day. So keeping up with it on different social medias, Google, anything is good to do. And along with that, you're able to make videos that are relevant, things that people are going to be searching, so the chances of your video doing well or maybe even blowing up is higher because that's what people are searching for, people are talking about. And along with that, you're also going to be able to put a video out that even you would watch. Because something that's very important with YouTube channels in general is that you're making videos that even you would want to click on. Whether it's your title, thumbnail, the video quality, things like that, you should want to click on your own video if you saw it on maybe your suggested or homepage. And another thing, this is kind of a tip, but I'm going to include it into this video because a lot of people, when they're starting out their channel, especially tech channels, they try to go out and buy different products just because that's what's being talked about. But you shouldn't have to pay money for videos as soon as you start. Look for products around the house that you use, tech products, specifically because you have a tech channel. You can do reviews on those, long-term reviews, those types of videos, because you're also going to have a lot more experience with the product, so you can give a more detailed user experience review. So I recommend you go around the house looking for different tech products that are still relevant somewhat. If they're not the newest thing, but still maybe a year or two later, then you can still review it, do some tests on it. You can still have a lot of video ideas coming from products that have already come out in the past, instead of having to go out and buy a product that would cost you maybe $40 and you're not actually making any money back from that. Because keep in mind, you're a small YouTube channel. You don't want to go spending money on a video that may or may not do well, just because your viewership is a lot lower. So these are just some tips and things to keep in mind when you have your tech YouTube channel. Just, maybe you could add some of these things, or maybe you could enhance whatever you were doing and adding a little bit of what I was saying. So I really hope that these tips helped you to improve your channel and add some cool things to it that would make people want to watch longer and watch more. So if you did, give this video a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one.